అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. హరి ఓం. నమో నమః. Today is the sixth day of our classes on Sanskritam language learning by Sri Akella Hemakanta Prabhakar Rao garu. We will start the session with Vande Mataram and then Prarthana. I request Challa Chittibabu garu to recite Vande Mataram, please.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्।
Vande Mataram. Now let us request Sandilya garu to chant Prarthana, please.
ముందు మెడిటేషన్ చేయాలన్నారు కదా, చేసిన తర్వాత. సో లెట్ us meditate for 1 minute. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Now we'll say Om 3 times. Now Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrunvannuti Bhisida Sadanam Om Mahaganadipataye Namaha. Om Prano Devi Saraswati Bhajerbhajinivati Dhinama Vidyavatu. Om Saraswat Om Sri Mahasaraswatyai Namaha. Gurureva Gati Gurumeva Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guro Paramam Sisurasmi Gurohu Matirasti Gurau Mam Pahi Guro. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalaspatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivamupaasmahe. Shruti Smruti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat Pada Sankaram Loka Sankaram. శంకరం శంకరాచార్యం కేశవం బాదరాయణం సూత్రభాష్యకృతౌ వందే భగవంతౌ పునః పునః. ఈశ్వరో గురురాత్మేతి మూర్తిభేద విభాగినే వ్యోమవద్వ్యాప్తదేహాయ దక్షిణామూర్తయే నమః. అసతో మా సద్గమయ తమసో మా జ్యోతిర్గమయ మృత్యోర్మా అమృతంగమయ. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. మాతృదేవో భవ పితృదేవో భవ ఆచార్య దేవో భవ అతిథి దేవో భవ. ఓం సహనా భవతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి.
ధన్యవాదములండి శాండిల్య గారు.
నమస్కారం.
అతి ఉత్తమం అండి. Now let us request Ramakanta Prabhakar Rao garu to continue with the webinar, please.
हरि ओम धन्यवादः. ओम पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्. संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. हरि ओम. In yesterday's class, we came up to the third lesson and we have learned a new topic called Atmayapadi, Parasmayapadi and Ubhayapadi features. In Vartamana Kalam, Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana, Kriyarupam is used with Ti Prachayam, that is called Parasmayapadi Kriya. Similarly, Vartamana Kalam, Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Kriyarupam is told with Te Prachayam, that Dhatu is Atmanepadi. If any Kriya is told with, can be told with Ti Prachayam and Te Prachayam both, then that Dhatu is called Ubhayapadi. So, Dhatavaha Kati Vidhaha, Dhatavaha Trividhaha. Dhatavaha Trividhaha. Atmanepadi, Parasmayapadi, Ubhayapadi. The whole box of dhatus, the root words of verbs, dhatus. Say you take one box, in that there are three sections. One section is Parasmayapadi, another section is Atmanepadi, third section is Ubhayapadi. The nature of Parasmayapadi cannot be used for Atmanepadi. The nature of Atmanepadi cannot be used for Parasmayapadi. But Ubhayapadi can use both the Parasmayapadi and Atmanepadi. That is the basic concept. Now, coming to the table of Atmanepadi and Parasmayapadi table of Vartamana Kalam. Every Vartamana Kalam, Bhuta Kalam, Bhavishyat Kalam, whatever table you learn henceforth, it has to be learned for Parasmayapadi as well as Atmanepadi. Atmanepadi table, Parasmayapadi table, both you have to learn. So that you will know the Prachayas, how to use the Prachayam for that column, that time. Vartamana kalam you are talking about, what type of pratyayas are to be used for Parasmepadi, what type of pratyayas are to be used for Apnepadi. So Bhutakalam is being used, what type of pratyayas are to be used in Parasmepadi, what type of pratyayas are to be used for Apnepadi. Similarly, Bhavishyat kalam. Similarly, other lakaras which you are going to get. Now, let us see the table of Parasmepadi and Apnepadi for Vartamana kalam. Take the table Vartamana kalam for Parasmepadi. It is Gacchati. Please see along with me and read. Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti. Please go to mute. Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti. This is Prathama Purusha. Then second one is Gacchasi, Gacchataha, Gacchatha. Madhyama Purusha. Third line is Gacchami, Gacchavaha, Gacchamaha. This is Parasmepadi table. In this, the pratyayas used are ti, taha, anti. Ati, ataha, anti. And then Madhyama Purusha, that is Prathama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha is asi, ataha, atha. And Uttama Purusha is ami, avaha, amaha. So here, if we call only pratyayas for Parasmepadi table, Vartamana kalam, ti, taha, anti, or ati, ataha, anti. You can take like that as in date. Ati, ataha, anti are the pratyayas that are being used for adding to Path Dhatu for Prathama Purusha. For Madhyama Purusha, asi, athaha, atha. Uttama Purusha, ami, avaha, amaha. Now let us take Prathama Purusha sabdas, sabdaha. Prathama Purusha sabdaha nitva. Let us make the sentences. How to make sentence using this table? You have to take karta, these are kriyas. These are all actions. The actions, they have to be added with concerned karta. If Ekavachana, Ekavachana karta, Divachana, Divachana karta, Bahuvachana, Bahuvachana karta. Prathama Purusha karta, Madhyama Purusha karta, Uttama Purusha karta. Like that, we have to add the karta and add this kriya and make sentence. That's how we have to go ahead. Pashyatu. Aham Parasmepadi Uttama Purusha Vadami. I am telling Prathama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Parasmepadi I am telling. What is Uttama Purusha Shabdam? Uttama Purusha Shabdah kimasti, kaha asti? Uttama Purusha Shabdah kaha asti? Asmat Shabdah. Asmat Shabdah Ekavachana Rupam kimasti? Aham. Divachana Rupam kimasti? Avam. Bahuvachana Rupam kimasti? Vayam. Adhat aham, avam, vayam karta rupena karyam karoti. Kriya patami, patavaha, patamaha. So now we have to add karta and kriya. Karta is aham, avam, vayam. Ekavachanam, divachanam, bahuvachanam. Kriya patami, patavaha, patamaha. So join both the table and this table. What will happen? Aham patami. I am reading. Avam patavaha. We both are reading. Vayam patamaha. We are all reading. This is Uttama Purusha Vakyam, 3 sentences. Okay. Then if you go to the Madhyama Purusha, what is Madhyama Purusha Shabdam? Dhakarantaha, Trilingakaha, Yushmat Shabdaha. Dhakarantaha, Trilingaka, Yushmat Shabdaha, Tvam Ekavachanam, Yuvam Divachanam, Yuyam Bahuvachanam. So, what are the kriyas to be taken for this? The second line, middle line. Patasi, patataha, patatha. So, add both. Tvam patasi, yuvam patatha, yuyam patatha. 3 sentences. Okay, ekavachanam, divachanam, bahuvachanam. You are reading, you both are reading, you are all reading. Tvam patasi, you are reading. Yuvam patataha, you both are reading. Yuyam patatha, you all are reading. So now we have come to the first line. First line, as you know, there will be nouns as well as pronouns can be acting as kartas for this first line. There could be so many namvachaka shabdas in the word. And similarly, there will be so many sarvanam shabdas for those namvachaka shabdas. So you can use either namvachaka shabdam or sarvanam shabdam and make the sentence with first line. The first line shabdams, kriya rupams are patati, patataha, pathanti. Or gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. So here gacchati is there. I'm telling patati. So gacchati is there here. So let us take gacchati now. Gacchati. Let us take namvachaka shabdam. So namvachaka shabdam, how do you say that? Let us take our namvachaka shabdam Ramaha. Leda Balaha. Otherwise Balaha. Balaha gacchati. Balaha gacchati. Divachandram for Balaha is Balau. Balau gacchataha. Bahuvachandram for Bala is Balaha. Balaha gacchanti. Then take Strilinga Shabdam. Balika. Balika gacchati. Balike gacchataha. Balikaha gacchanti. Now take Napusaka Shabdam. Mitram. Mitram gacchati. Mitre gacchataha. Mitrani gacchanti. So you have made how many sentences now? 9 sentences. With Bala, 3 sentences. With Balika, 3 sentences. With Mitram, 3 sentences. Now let us take Dakarantaha Tatsabda. Dakarantaha Tatsabda Saha Pullingam, Sa Strilingam, Tat Napunskalingam. Saha Gacchati. Purusha, Pullinga Shabda. Saha Gacchati, he is going. Saha Gacchati. Tau Gacchataha. Te Gacchanti. Then Strilingam Shabda. Sa Gacchati. Te Gacchataha. Taha Gacchanti. Napusaka Shabdam. Tat Gacchati. Te Gacchataha. Tani Gacchanti. So another 9 sentences. You got me. Another 9 sentences. So 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 3 of Madhyama Purusha. Plus 3 of Uttama Purusha. Total 9, 18 plus 3 plus 3, 24. So you can make 24 sentences as an example. So this is called Vartamana Kala Kriya Parasmaipadi Dhatu. And then Vartamana Kala Kriya Aptanepadi Dhatu. How do you do that? The similar way. The same way, we take the same kartas and use the Aptanepadi Dhatu. Let us take Uttama Purusha. Aham Vande. I am doing Namaskaram. Aham Vande. Avam Vandavahe. Vayam Vandamahe. 3 sentences. Similarly, Madhyama Purusha. Tvam Vandase. Yuvam Vandethe. Yuyam Vandadve. Then Prathama Purusha. Take again Balaha. Balaha Vandate. Balau Vandete. Balaha Vandante. Strilinga Rupam. Balika Vandate. Balike Vandete. Balikaha Vandante. Mitram Shabdam. Mitram Vandate. Mitre Vandete. Mitrani Vandante. Then Takaram Tat Shabdaha. Saha. Saha Vandate. तौ वंदेते ते वंदन्ते सा शब्दम सा वंदते ते वंदेते ताः वंदन्ते तत्शब्दम तत् वंदते ते वंदेते तानि वंदन्ते. Like that you can take any Apnepadi Kriya and make table. You can make any Parasmepadi Kriya and take table and make the 24 sentences as an example of exercise. If you do 5 tables like this, you will completely get the grasp of the subject. Please do the 5 tables without fail. 5 tables you make it for Parasmepadi and 5 tables for Apnepadi and write sentences. That makes you write 200 sentences. Okay, nearly. Now we have come up to the Sangraha Vishayaha. Last class we have finished Prahelika and we have reached the up to Prahelika we finished last class, I hope. Simantani Shukashanta Sita Raja Kobud Gunottamaha Ramaha Vidusham Ka Sadavanja Vidya Atrai Vaktam Nabujyate. That's what we learned. Now Sangraha Vishayaha. The slokam is Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here the words used are all Ditya Vibhakti words mostly for Krishna. Vasudeva Sutam. What is the name of Suta Krishna? Actually Vasudeva Sutaha, son of Vasudeva. Vasudeva Sutaha is the Pradhama Vibhakti Rupam. Vasudeva Sutaha means Vasudevani yokka Kumarudu. Vasudeva Sutaha, the son of Vasudeva. But when you say Vasudeva Sutam, the Vasudeva Sutam, the person who is Vasudeva Sutam, that person, that become object. It has become object. Now Krishna has become an object now. He is not doing the work. He is an object now. Vasudeva Sutam, Vasudeva Sutaha has become Vasudeva Sutam. So that is Ditya Vibhakti Rupam, accusative case. Then next is Devam. Krishna Devaha, Deva Swarupaha. Sakshat Paramatma Swarupaha, Avtaram Nitavan. So Devaha. Devaha Shabda se Ditya Vibhakti Devam. Tathaiva Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. I am not shared the lesson. Sorry. Now coming to the slokam Vishnu. Sangraha Vishayaha and Vishnu, they are the slokas. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Jagadgurum. All these words are all Ditya Bhakti words. Vande is Kriya. Vande means which Kriya is it? Aham Vande. Uttama Purusha Kriya. Since Vande is there and Vande is Uttama Purusha Kriya and Uttama Purusha Kriya Ekavachanam. So Uttama Purusha Ekavachana Shabdam Kimasti Karta only one. Aham. That's why the moment Vande is there, Aham is already there. The understanding is Aham, whether it is written or not, that is already there because Vande can be used only with Aham. You cannot use with any other Karta. That's why Aham Vande, I am doing Namaskaram. To whom? I am doing Namaskaram. Who is doing Namaskaram now? Aham. Who is Karta? Karta is Aham. Kriya is Vande. Namaskaram, doing Namaskaram is Kriya. Karta is Aham. aham vande, I am doing namaskaram. परंतु ऑब्जेक्ट किमस्ति? ऑब्जेक्ट देवं, कृष्णं, वसुदेवसुतं, कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, जगद्गुरुं, देवकी परमानंदम. All these things are working as a object. Object means karma. Karta is aham. Kriya is vande. The remaining karma is all other subjects. Out of that, one is karma, the remaining are adjectives to karma. Who is the karma here? Whom you are doing namaskaram? Krishnam. విష్ణునికి, కృష్ణునకు నమస్కారం చేస్తున్నాను. నేను కృష్ణునికి నమస్కారం చేస్తున్నాను. నేను కృష్ణునికి, ది కృష్ణ, ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ నమస్కారం టు ద కృష్ణ. ద కృష్ణ ఇస్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. ద కృష్ణ సంస్కృతే కథం వదామः? సంస్కృతే కృష్ణः శబ్దం కృష్ణం భవిష్యత్. యదా వయం వాక్యరచనా కుర్మः कर्ता कर्म क्रिया आवश्यकम. कर्ता अहम, क्रिया वंदे, कर्म कृष्णम. What type of Krishna is there now? Krishna has got adjectives now. Who is Krishna? Vasudeva Sutam, the son of Vasudeva. Devam, Devaha, Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha, the person who killed Kamsa and Chanura. Mardanaha, Mardanam. Vanini, Mardanaha, Mardanam. Mardanaha, Pradama Vibhakti, Mardanam, Ditya Vibhakti. So Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha, Pradama Vibhakti Sabdam. Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, Ditya Vibhakti Sabdam. Devaha, Pradama Vibhakti Sabdam. Devam, Ditya Vibhakti Sabdam. Vasudeva Sutaha, Pradama Vibhakti Rupam. Vasudeva Sutam, Ditya Vibhakti Rupam. कृष्णः प्रथमा विभक्ति रूपम. कृष्णं द्वितीया विभक्ति रूपम. जगद्गुरुः प्रथमा विभक्ति रूपम. जगद्गुरुं द्वितीया विभक्ति रूपम. देवकी परम आनंदः, the person who gives a lot of pleasure to the Devaki. Anandah, Devaki Paramanandah, the person who gives lot of anandam to the Parama Devaki. Vaniki for him, Devaki Paramanandam, Ditya Vibhakti. Devaki Paramanandah, Anandam, Paramanandam. So what are the adjectives to Krishna now here? Jagadguruhu, Vasudeva Sutam, Devam, Jagadgurum, Vasudeva Sutam, Devam, Kamsachanura Maddanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishnam, Aham Vande. Aham, Vasudeva Sutam, Devam, Kamsachanura Maddanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Jagadgurum, Krishnam, Vande. This is a sentence. That's how we have to understand the slokam. First, you have to find out what is kriya. In a slokam, what is the kriya, you have to find out. Then, find out who is doing that kriya. And then, you have to find out on whom that kriya is being done. Here, one day is the kriya. And that aham is the karta who is doing that work. And the remaining words are the object on whom the namaskaram is being affected. So in every sentence, in every way when you are doing sambhashana, you have to think of these things. Think of an action. Think of who is doing that action, either me or somebody, either I or you or somebody. Put that somebody and accordingly select the kriya, and then accordingly select karma, what work you are doing, on whom that work is being done, and put that word into Ditya Bhakti and make the sentence. So now for this, what is the tool you have? You have got 11th lesson. In 11th lesson, for various words, what is Prathama Vibhakti Rupam, what is Ditya Vibhakti Rupam, what is Tritiya Vibhakti Rupam, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami. Like that, all the 7 and Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. All the 8 are being given there. Please read them right now. Right from today, please start reading the 11th lesson also along with these things. Then only you will be able to appreciate what I am talking. So every Shabdam will have the shape change when it is used in a different application. Rama Shabdam, when it is used as a person who is doing the work, it will be Pradhama Vibhakti. When Rama Sabdam becomes an object, that becomes Ramam. That is the Ditya Vibhakti, accusative case. So that's what you have to understand. Next, similar sloka. Next slokam. Suklambaradharam Vishnum Sheshivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Jayet Sarva Vignopa Shantaye. Upashantaye. Sarva Vignaha Upashantaye. So here also Ditya Bhakti Sabdas. Sukla Ambaradharam. Ambara means Astra. Sukla means white. Sukla Ambaradharam. Suklambaradharam. Sukla Ambaradharam. Suklambaradharam. Suklambaradharam, the person who is wearing white cloth, white vastram. Vishnu, Vishnu Swarupam, who is occupied whole Vishwam. Vishnum, Vishnuhu, Vishnum. Then Seshivarnam, the person who is like Seshivarnam, just like Ahladam. How Seshivarnam gives us Ahladam, like that, Vishnu face, you will get that Ahladakaram. Seshivarnam. Similarly, Chaturbhujam, having 4 hands. Chaturbhujam. Chaturbujaha, Chaturbhujam. Seshivarnaha, Seshivarnam. Vishnuhu, Vishnum. Suklambaradharaha, Suklambaradharam. Pradhama Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti. Prasanna Vadanaha, Prasanna Vadanam. He is Prasanna Vadanaha. Very calm and cool faced person. Prasanna Vadanaha. Prasanna Vadanaha. Evaru Vishnu. So this is used for Ganesh also, because we are talking about Vignas. Sarva Vigna Upashantaye. For the sake of Upashanti of all Vignas. Kim karna hai? What you do? Jayet. Jayet is another Kriya. This is not, this Kriya we will tell later. Jayet. Prativa Cheya Badavalayunu. Cheya Valayunu. Janam Cheya Valayunu. Evaraina sare. Jayet. Anedi inko raka Kriya, the other type of Kriya we will learn later. But here is, this is about Vidhi, a type of ruling. That is the Kriya. So, Suklambaradharam, Vishnum, Seshivarnam, Chaturbhujam, Prasannavadanam, Jayet, Sarva Vignopashantaye. For what purpose you have to do? For removing all the obstacles. We have to do Jayet, Jnana. We have to do Jnana. We have to do meditation. That is the idea. We should pray to Lord Vishnu to remove all the hurdles in our path of success. He is wearing clean white robes and shining like the moon. He has 4 arms. His face is always blissful. So the translation in English. So here also the words used as accusative case is used. So accusative case is to be understood now. We have come to that stage now. Pradhama Purusha, Pradhama Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti, we have come to Ditya Vibhakti. By the time you complete Pravesha, you will be learning all 7 Vibhaktis. How a word is used in 7 applications. That's what you will be learning by the time end of Pravesha lesson. Now we have come to Ditya Vibhakti usage lesson. Usage. Then comes to, any doubt on this too? On this point? Anybody has any doubt? Please raise your hand and talk. So the main important thing here is, you have to go to the 11th lesson, start reading 11th lesson right now, right from today. Next, Samskrita Vangmaya Parichayam. In Samskrita Vangmaya Parichayam, we have come up to the Puranas now. We have completed 2-3 things now. Vedas we have completed, Vedangas we have completed, Darsanas we have completed, Upanishads we have completed. This is 3rd lesson. Coming to Samskrita Vangmaya Parichayam, this Puranas. There are 18 Puranas. 18 Puranas are told by with one slokam. That is Madvayam, Bhadvayam Chaiva, Bratrayam, Vachetushtayam, Anapalinga Kuskani, Puranani Prachakshate. This 18 Mahapuranas told in a slokam. This 18 Mahapuranas written by Vyasa Maharshi, who has written Mahabharatam. And these are very famous as far as the knowledge of Sanatana Dharma is concerned. And the Vedas only in the form of friendship in a friendly way, telling friendly way the Veda Sutras is Puranas. Vedas are called Prabhu Samhitas. Prabhu is just like Veda dictum. Veda words are all dictums. Prabhu Samhitam. Vedas are Prabhu Samhitam, equal to Prabhu, just like orders of a Raja. Prabhu Samhitam. Vidhi, you have to do this, you have to do that, like that. It has been told for the happy living of the humanity. But whereas Puranas, they don't do like that. What they do is they bring out a story of a king or a person who has followed the dharma as per Vedas and exhibit how he has done that dharma, how he has followed dharma, and what results he has obtained, what problems he faced. So like that, they will take the whole story of various rajas or Srushti Rahasyam, and Deva Rahasyalu. All those things will be told in Puranas. Each Purana will talk about that section of the Devas story. So that section of Devas activities in the universe. So like that, they make you understand the whole universe in all respects, psychologically, Vedantically, and then karma-wise, and then all other science-wise, all different aspects, management-wise, following dharma-wise, dharma sutras-wise, all these things are, and history. And at the same time, history of the Bharatavarsha. Who are the kings who ruled the country, how they ruled the country, all those things are so we told there. So Puranas are nothing but our history. So you have to take that into account and then learn the Puranas. So Madhvayam means Matsya Puranam, Markandeya Puranam. Bhadvayam means Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam. Bharatrayam means Brahmanda Puranam, Brahma Vaivarta Puranam, Brahma Puranam. Then Vachatushayam with 4. Vamana Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Vishnu Puranam, Vayu Puranam. Then next line. Anapalinga Kuskani. A. Agni Puranam. Na. Narada Puranam. Pa. Padma Puranam. Li. Linga Puranam. Ga. Garuda Puranam. Ku. Kurma Puranam. Ska. Skanda Puranam. Like that, 18 Puranas have been written by Vyasa Maharshi, explaining the whole history of the Bharatavarsha over a period of yugas. Maybe in this yuga or earlier yuga or any yuga like that. Different yugas. Could be this Mahayugam or earlier Mahayugam. It could be anything. But he has taken all the knowledge of the past history available on that day, and he has written these Puranas. At that time, all Vedas were there, everything was there. He has full knowledge on Vedas because he has sectionalized the Vedas. He has made the complete study and sectionalizing the Vedas. So his Puranas can be taken as authentic, as he has got the knowledge of all Vedas. So that's how Vyasa Maharishi is the founder of our Sanatana Dharma in the written form to us. So he, in addition to Valmiki as Ramayana. Valmiki considered to be the earlier one, Adikavi. Next, based on these Shastras, based on these Vedas and Puranas and Darsanas and Vedangas, so many Shastras have been written by the various Sanskrit Pandits over a period of time. So what are they? Those things are, and each one, there are only sample 3-4 granthas have been given here. But if you go into the details of the granthas available with bookshops, you will find hundreds. Each subject you will find hundreds written by hundreds of people on each subject. I'm not joking. It's a real fact. Lakhs and lakhs of granthas are there in Sanskrit at various places in various booksellers. Maybe they are not being sold because nobody is buying. Not being published number of times because nobody is buying. And similarly, so many granthas were looted and being preserved and being used in various libraries in the world. German libraries, UK libraries, museums, American libraries, and then other libraries available in the world. So they are reading them. They have done an excellent job of translating our important works into various languages, mainly English language. Now, we will go into the Alankara Shastram. Dhanya lokam Anandavardhanaha. He Rasagangadharam Jagannatharaya Pandita. సాహిత్య దర్పణం విశ్వనాథ చక్రవర్తి, కావ్య ప్రకాశం మమ్మట, కువలయానందం అప్పయ్య దీక్షిత. ధ్వన్యాలోక ఆనందవర్ధన, రసగంగాధర జగన్నాథ పండిత, సాహిత్య దర్పణం విశ్వనాథ. Some more are there in Telugu book. Kavya Prakasham Mummata, Kuwalayanandam Appaya Dikshita. So Vyakarana Grantha Shastram. Ashtadhyayi Panini. Panini has streamlined the language that is being used in various granthas before him. Panini is only 2500 years back man. He has not created the Vyakaranam. You have to understand this. He has not created the Vyakaranam. He has only sectionalized, streamlined. He has only streamlined the Vyakaranam and prepared the sutras to understand for us easily in simple way. That's why I made Ashtadhyayi Panini. The Vyakaranas were there in Valmiki time also, because even Rama called Hanuman as Navavakarana Pandita, Navavyakarana Pandita. How he has called? Vyakarana was not there in Ramayana time. So Vyakarana must be there also. But Ashtadhyayi Panini has written only 2500 years back. And similarly, for Panini's, this thing has been, Patanjali has written Mahabhashyam. For that, what Panini has given in sutras, that he has given details. Each sutra he has explained. Mahabhashyam he has written, Patanjali Mahabhashyam. On that Patanjali Mahabhashyam, Vararuchi has given the Kachayana Vararuchi is called Vartikas. So there are 3 books, authentic books, to be followed to understand the total Vyakaranam of Sanskritam. That is Ashtadhyayi, Patanjali Mahabhashyam by Panini, Mahabhashyam by Patanjali, and Vartikam by Vararuchi. These 3 people. And then Siddhanta Kaumidi, Paribhasha Sakaram, so many books have come later. So many books have come. And then Tarka Shastram, that is Nyaya Sutrani, Gautam Maharshi. Gautam Maharshi has written Nyaya Sutrani. Then Nyaya Manjari, Jayanta Bhattaha. Tattva Chintamani, Ganeshopadhyaya. These are the important books to be followed. Then Purvamimamsa Shastram. Purvamimamsa Shastram is one of the darshanas. Out of 6 darshanas, Purvamimamsa Shastram is Mimamsa Shastram. That is called Mimamsa Shastram, actual Mimamsa Shastram. That is written by Jaimini. Jaimini Sutrani. He has written Jaimini, the name of Jaimini Sutrani, they are called Purvamimamsa Shastram. The Jaimini Sutrani is called Purvamimamsa Shastram. The actual Mimamsa Shastram is this one. People say Mimamsa. The Mimamsa is only Jaimini Sutras. Jaimini Sutrani, Jaimini. Then Tantra Vartikam by Kumarila Bhattaha and Sabara Bhashyam by Sabaraswami. These are the 3 people who have re-established Karma Siddhanta and the whole the Kratus, which were left out due to Buddhism. The people who are brought out, who are established again back in the country, the real Sanatana Dharma, credit goes to this Kumarila Bhatta and Sabaraswami. These 2 people have struggled hard to bring back the whole country back into the rituals. Otherwise, rituals were totally banned in Buddha time. Buddhas and Jains, they came and they totally removed the ritual concept of our dharma from our land, mostly. That has been reignited by Kumarila Bhatta and Sabaraswami. So one should follow these 3 sutras very well to understand our Sanatana Dharma in detailed way. And what is the real concept of Karma Yoga? What is the real concept of this Prakriti and Purusha? All these things will be understood, and how to analyze Veda Sabdas. Mainly, that is main important. How to analyze Veda Sabdas, how to understand Veda Sabdas, what Veda has told. To understand that Mimamsa Shastram is very, very important Shastram. One should follow this. Then question comes, Uttar Mimamsa. Uttar Mimamsa is nothing but Upanishads. It is the Vedanta Shastram, which is talking about Advaita Siddhanta, that is talking about 3 sections, 3 levels. Upanishads from Vedas, Brahma Sutrani from Vyasa Maharshi, and Bhagavad Gita again Vyasa Maharshi. These 3 are called Prasthanatrayam. And this Uttar Mimamsa is also called Vedanta Shastram, which talked about only Paramatma Swarupam is there. From that Prakriti and Purusha has come, and Prakriti is Anicca Swarupam, and Purusha Jada Swarupam, and Purusha is the nothing but Paramatma himself, joining the Jada Swarupam to make the whole universe in Prakasha Sthiti, Chaitanya Sthiti. To give Chaitanya Sthiti of the whole Prakasham, the Paramatma himself has come as Purusha and stayed in whole universe, and making the whole universe is live. That is the main Siddhantam of that. And Prakriti is Jada Swarupam, and that Jada Swarupam, when joined with Chaitanya, is actual one which you are seeing every day. So, any doubts after this? Nothing much here on this. You have to read and understand. Everybody knows these things. I don't need to much explain those things. Then Katha. Here we understand again how to make sentences. Bhasha Katham Gnatavyam. మనము ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి అనేది వాక్య రచన ఎలా చేయాలి, హౌ టు మేక్ వాక్య రచన, హౌ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ టు మేక్ ది సెంటెన్సెస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండర్స్టూడ్. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ time and again, this is karta karma kriya concept. That's the only thing is, a kriya will be, the action will be there. The person who is doing action is karta, the person on whom the action is being done karma. Ramaha Ravanam vadati. Ramaha Ravanam vadati. Vadati kriya. Who did that vadati? Ramaha did it. On whom he has done? Ravanam. He killed. That killing work on whom he has done? He has done on Ravanam. So Ravana Sabdam goes to Ravanam, not Ravanaha. But who has done that work is Ramaha. Ramaha Ravanam vadati. So karta should be in Prathama Vibhakti, karma should be in Ditya Vibhakti, kriya should follow the karta. So kriya should follow the karta means, if karta is one person, ekavachana kriya. If karta is bahuvachanam, bahuvachana kriya. If karta is Prathama Purusha kriya. If karta is Madhyama Purusha kriya. If karta is Uttama Purusha kriya. This concept is to be understood. So now the story is mostly on Prathama Purusha type. Ekaha Jambukaha Asti. Asti is the kriya. Asti means is there. Kaha Asti. Kaha Asti Prashna. Prashnavachakam Kaha. For Pullinga. So atra Jambukaha Pullinga Shabdam. Kaha Asti. Did you read the Katha in the earlier second part of Chatura Kaka? We are ready, of course. Yes. So Ekaha Jambukaha Asti. Atra Jambukaha lesson. Modha Jambukaha. Modha Jambukaha. Jambukaha Kathamasti Modaha. His Visheshanam is Modaha. It doesn't have brain. Foolish Jambukaha. So Ekaha Jambukaha Asti. Asti is the kriya. Jambukaha is the person. So Jambukaha Asti. Kati Jambukaha Santi? Ekaha. Ekaha Jambukaha Asti. Saha Ekada. Ekada means once. Ekada means once. Saha Kaha. Saha Jambukaha. Saha Kaha. Kaha is Prashna mark. Prashnavachakam. Saha Kaha is question. Saha Kaha. Saha Jambukaha. Saha Kaha. Saha Rama. Saha Kaha. Saha Vriksha. Saha Kaha. Saha Ashwa. Saha Kaha. Saha Gaja. Saha Kaha. Chashaka. Eshaha Chashaka. Eshaha Kaha. Eshaha Asanda. Saha Kaha. Saha Deepa. Saha Jambukaha. Atra Idanim Saha Jambukaha. Saha Jambukaha Ekada once Aharardham, for the sake of Aharam. Aharardham Vane Brahmati. Brahmati arthat moving, running here and there. Brahmati. Kutra Brahmati? Kutra, where? Where Brahmati? Kutra? Vane Brahmati. Kaha Brahmati? Saha Brahmati. Saha Kaha? Saha Jambukaha. Jambukaha Brahmati. Jambukaha Kutra Brahmati? Jambukaha Vane Brahmati. Jambukaha Kimardham Vane Brahmati? Jambukaha Aharardham Vane Brahmati. Kada, when, kada, under Prashna mark. What Prashna Vachakas, what Netsunama, Kim, one Kim we have learned. Kim. Kaha, Ka, Kim. That is one Shabdam we learned. Then we learned Kutra. We learned Kimardham. We learned Katham. Now we are coming to Kada. Kada, all these things will be repeated. Don't write now. All these things, what I am talking now about Prashnavachkas, will be told in the later lessons. To understand the lesson, I am telling you in advance. Okay. Saha ekada aharardham vane bhramati. Kada bhramati ekada. Okasari. Once. Ekada means once. Kaha bhramati? Jambukaha bhramati. Kutra bhramati? Vane bhramati. Astu. Ekatra saha drakshapala. Ekatra. I told you. Atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra. At one place. At one place. Ekatra means at one place. Ekatra saha drakshalatam pashyati. Drakshalata prathama vibhakti. Drakshalatam ditya vibhakti. Accusative case. Drakshalatanu chusini. What she has seen? Drakshalatam. Ekatra saha jambukaha drakshalatam pashyati. काम पश्यति काम पश्यति का शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति का शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति देनिनि చూసినది దేనిని ఏ స్త్రీలింగ శబ్దాన్ని చెప్పాలప్పుడు లతా లతా స్త్రీలింగ శబ్దం దాని ప్రశ్నవాచకం కా కా పశ్యతి లతాం పశ్యతి కహ పశ్యతి సహ పశ్యతి జంబూకః పశ్యతి జంబూకః ద్రాక్షలతాం పశ్యతి లతా లతాం లతాం ప్రథమ విభక్తి లతాం ద్వితీయ విభక్తి Latayam. Latayam. Latayam, next question. Latayam. Latayam is the Saptami Vibhakti of Lata Shabdam. Here Latam is Ditya Vibhakti here. Lata is Pradhama Vibhakti. Latam Ditya Vibhakti. Latayam Saptami Vibhakti means in the Lata. Saptami is Andu Nan in Telugu. Vyakaranam. ద్వితీయ విభక్తి నీ నులా కూర్చి గురించి ద్వితీయ విభక్తి నీ నులా కూర్చి గురించి నీ నులా కూర్చి గురించి నీ నులా కూర్చి గురించి ద్వితీయ విభక్తి సో దట్ ద్వితీయ విభక్తి లతాం లతా లతాం దెన్ లతాయాం అందు నన్ టు సే అందు ఇన్ దట్ ఆధారభూతం ఫర్ లతా ఇస్ ఆధారం హియర్ లతాయాం ఇన్ లతా అనేకాని అనేకం అనేకాని బహువచనం బహువచనం ఫర్ అనేకం అనేకం మీన్స్ మెనీ అనేకాని మీన్స్ మెనీ మెనీ అనేకాని ద్రాక్షాఫలాని ద్రాక్షాఫలం ద్రాక్షాఫలాని బహువచనం ద్రాక్షాఫలాని సంతి సంతి ఇస్ బహువచనం ఫర్ అస్తి ఏకః జంబూకః అస్తి హియర్ ఓన్లీ జంబూకా ఇస్ దేర్ వన్ బట్ హియర్ ఫలాని మెనీ సో వెన్ మెనీ are there, the kriya is bahuvachana kriya. Santi. Asti is ekavachanam. Santi is bahuvachanam. So, unnai, they are there. So, latayam anekani draksha phalani santi. Draksha phalani santi. Tani pakwani. Tatte tani. Tat shabdasya bahuvachanam. Tani. Tani kani. Tani kani. Kani kim shabdani bahuvachanam. Kim ke kani. तानि कानि तानि द्राक्षाफलानि कानि का आंसर तानि कानि अవి ఏమిటవి ద్రాక్షాఫలములు तानि कानि तानि द्राक्षाफलानि तानि कथमस्ति कथं सन्ति तानि कथं सन्ति तानि द्राक्षाफलानि कथं सन्ति पक्वानि completely rectified పండినవి పక్వాని तानि फलानि पक्वानि तानि द्राक्षाफलानि पक्वानि जंबूकः चिंतयति चिंतयति इंतकुमुंदु पात पाठंलो काकः चिंतयति अत्र जंबूकः चिंतयति किं चिंतयति अद्य मम द्राक्षाफलानां भोजनं इवाळ ना भोजनमु द्राक्षाफलमुलु అని అనుకుంది అద్య అద్య ఇంకో కొత్త వర్డ్ అద్య టుడే Ajja means today. Ivala, today, mama. Mama is Shashti Vibhakti for aham. Mama is my. My bhojanam. I shabdaniki my alago. అహం శబ్దానికి మమ అలా. సో అద్య మమ ద్రాక్షాఫలానాం భోజనం, ద్రాక్షాఫలముల యొక్క భోజనము. ఇది షష్ఠీ భక్తి, ద్రాక్షాఫలానాం ఆల్సో. సో నా యొక్క భోజనము ద్రాక్షాఫలములు అనుకుంది. అద్య మమ ద్రాక్షాఫలానాం భోజనం ఇతి, లైక్ దిస్. ఇతి మీన్స్ లైక్ దిస్. ద్రాక్షా లబ్ధుం, లబ్ధు మీన్స్ టు గెట్. ద్రాక్షా, ద్రాక్షాం లబ్ధుం, ద్రాక్షా శబ్దస్య ద్వితీయ భక్తి. ద్రాక్షా, ద్రాక్షాం, ద్రాక్షను. ది ద్రాక్ష, టు గెట్ ది ద్రాక్ష. The draksha is object here, but Jambuka is subject. Draksha is object. Draksham labdum, to get draksha, labdum to get. Upari utpatati, upari utpatati, upari utpatati. Upari means up. Utpatati means utpatati, utpatati. Agree padtundi. Jumping up and falling down, jumping up and falling down. That is called utpatati. ద్రాక్షాం లబ్ధుం ఉపరి ఉత్పతతి, కింటు ద్రాక్షాఫలాని నా ప్రాప్నోతి, కింటు ద్రాక్షాఫలాని నా ప్రాప్నోతి. జంబూకః పునః పునః ఉత్పతతి, తథాపి ఫలాని నా ప్రాప్నోతి. పునః పునః, అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. ఇట్ డస్ ది సేమ్ వర్క్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ టు గెట్ ది ఉత్పతతి. సో ఉత్పత్తి క్రియ హియర్. తథాపి, ఈవెన్ దెన్, అయినా కూడా. తథా అపి, ఈవెన్ దెన్, అయినా కూడా. ఫలాని నా ప్రాప్నోతి, షీ కుడ్ నాట్ గెట్ ది ఫ్రూట్స్. జంబూకః కుపితః అభవత్, కుపితః భవతి, కుపితః భవతి. జంబూకానికి కోపం వచ్చింది. కుపితః, కోపము వచ్చిన, కోపంగా ఉన్నది. జంబూకః కుపితః భవతి, జంబూక కోపంగా అయిపోయింది. జంబూక హస్ బికమ్ యాంగ్రీ. జంబూకః కుపితః భవతి. సహ తాని ద్రాక్షఫలాని దూషయతి, సహ దూషయతి. కాని దూషయతి? ద్రాక్షాఫలాన్ని, ద్రాక్షాఫలాన్ని దూషయతి. తాని ద్రాక్షాఫలాన్ని, సర్వనామ శబ్దం. ఆ ద్రాక్ష ఫలములను, ఆ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని, దట్ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని, దట్ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని. టు సే దోజ్ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని, టు సే దోజ్ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని. దోజ్ మీన్స్ తాని. ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని, ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని. దోజ్ ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని, తాని ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని. దూషయతి, బ్లేమ్స్, నిందతి. కథం నిందతి? ద్రాక్షాఫలాని ఆమ్లాని, దే ఆర్ సవర్. ది ఫ్రూట్స్ దట్ ఆర్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ సవర్, దే ఆర్ బ్యాడ్. సో ద్రాక్షాఫలాని ఆమ్లాని ఇది వదతి. దట్స్ వాట్ జంబుకః టోల్డ్. అనంతరం స్వస్థానం గచ్చతి. లేటర్ ఇట్ వెంట్ టు its own place, because she could not get the fruits. Without that, she went back to place. Now here there are questions are there. Let us see. Jambukah aharadham kutra atati. Anybody? Anybody can open up and talk? Jambukah aharadham kutra atati. Here Jambukah is not the question. Aharardham is not the question. Atati is not the question. What is the question? Kutra. Jambukah aharardham atati. Kutra. Nobody could answer this?
I think they are not muted. Unmuted.
I will answer. Vane atati.
Vane. So
Yeah, ఇది
Jambukah
కొంచెం
vane.
రావడానికి కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది, అందువల్ల.
Vane
atati.
answer this.
Vane
Please answer
atati.
full sentence. Jambukah.
జంబూకః
జంబూకః
ఆహారార్థం వనే అటతి.
Vane atati. Next question. Jambukah kim pashyati.
జంబూకః
జంబుకగా ద్రాక్ష ఫలాన్ని
ద్రాక్షఫలాన్ని పశ్యతి.
Lataam
లతాం పశ్యతి.
లతాం పశ్యతి. ద్రాక్షలతాం పశ్యతి. క్షమ్యతాం.
Drakshalatam pashyati. Drakshalatam ditya bhakti. Here kim also ditya bhakti. Jambukah Drakshalatam pashyati. Remove kim and put Drakshalatam here. Then Latayam kani santi kani. Now the answer. Latayam kani santi.
లతాయాం ద్రాక్ష ఫలాని సంతి.
నో
Drakshafalani santi.
అనేకాని సంతి.
అనేकानि द्राक्षाफलानि सन्ति
लतायाम् अनेकानि
अनेकानि
द्राक्षाफलानि
द्राक्षाफलानि सन्ति
सन्ति
जम्बूकः किं चिन्तयति जम्बूकः चिन्तयति इन्वर्टेड कॉमास बिगिन अद्य
मम द्राक्षफलानां
भोजनं
मम द्राक्षफलानां भोजनम् इति you have to say iti like this, close the inverted commas and say iti. Then jambukah kim vadati?
जम्बूकः द्राक्षफलानि आम्लानि
Iti vadati.
इति वदति
Okay, now let us go to next section. Sanskrit vyavaharah samayah, time. How to see the time, how to tell the time. अरुणः षड्वादने उत्तिष्ठति, माता अष्टवादने उपहारं करोति, पिता सार्धसप्तवादने आगच्छति, स्वर्णा पादोन दशवादने निद्राति, स्वः द्विवादने आचार्यं टुमारो द्विवादने आचार्यः बोधयिष्यति, भविष्यत्कालक्रिया बोधयिष्यति, परस्वः भानुवासरः अस्ति, परस्वः डे आफ्टर टुमारो, प्रपरस्वः डे आफ्टर टुमारो, भानुवासरः अस्ति आफ्टर 2 days भानुवासरः इज देयर, ही सेज. ह्यः वादिराजः गीतवान्, ह्यः मीन्स yesterday, ह्यः मीन्स yesterday, परस्वः, all this will come again, don't worry. ह्यः वादिराजः गीतवान्, yesterday वादिराजा गीतवान् मीन्स past kriya, he sang. अद्य गृहप्रवेश कार्यक्रमः अस्ति, टुडे व्हाट इज अस्ति? गृहप्रवेश कार्यक्रमः अस्ति. कदा? अद्य. कदा मीन्स व्हेन, कदा मीन्स व्हेन, कदा अस्ति? अद्य अस्ति, टुडे गृहप्रवेश कार्यक्रम इज देयर. इदानीं कः समयः? किं समयः अनकूडदु, कः समयः, समयः पुल्लिंग शब्द, सो यू हैव टू से कः समयः. इदानीं कः समयः, व्हाट इज टाइम नाउ? इदानीं सार्धसप्तवादनः, इदानीं सार्धसप्तवादनम्, इदानीं त्रिवादनम्, now it is 3 o'clock. So like this, in the sentences above, words that convey time are used. Here षड्वादने उत्तिष्ठति, अरुणः कदा उत्तिष्ठति? when he will get up? षड्वादने, షడ్వాదనం షడ్వాదనే, 6 గంటలు 6 గంటల యందు, సప్తమి విభక్తి. సో మాత అష్టవాదనే ఉపహారం కరోతి, అష్టవాదనే 8 o'clock. పితా సార్ధ సప్తవాదనే ఆగచ్చతి, సా అర్ధ 7:30, సార్ధ 7:30, సప్తవాదనే, సార్ధ అంటే after 7 o'clock half an hour, సా అర్ధ సప్తవాదనే. నెక్స్ట్ స్వర్ణ పాదోన, ఊన మీన్స్ లెస్, పాదోన దశవాదనే నిద్రాతి, 9:45, పాద ఊన మీన్స్ 9:45, less than quarter, by 10 o'clock before quarter, that means 8:45 to 9:45. స్వర్ణ 9:45 నిద్రాతి, పాదోన దశవాదనే నిద్రాతి. నెక్స్ట్ స్వహ మీన్స్ టుమారో, టుమారో ద్వివాదనే 2 o'clock ఆచార్యः బోధయిష్యతి, టుమారో 2 o'clock ఆచార్యుడు he will teach. So प्रपरस्वः भानुवासरः अस्ति, day after tomorrow, भानुवासरा and Sunday is there. ह्यः yesterday, वादिराजः गीतवान्, yesterday वादिराज already sang, he gave a program yesterday. ह्यः वादिराजः गीतवान्, he gave a music program yesterday. अद्य गृहप्रवेश कार्यक्रमः अस्ति, टुडे इज गृहप्रवेश कार्यक्रमः उन्नति टुडे. इदानीं कः समयः, व्हाट इज टाइम नाउ? इदानीं नौ, इदानीं అంటే नौ, इदानीं त्रिवादनं, नौ इट इज त्रिवादनं, नौ 3 o'clock. So these are the things. Now see that clock now. Now the long hand is on 12, short hand is 5. So what you say? Panchavadanam, panchavadanam. Then saptavadanam, dasavadanam. These are the way you should learn. Then comes the quarter. Sapada. Sapada Panchavadanam means quarter past Pancha. Quarter past 5. Quarter. This quarter. 1 quarter. 1 quarter past. To say past, you have to say Sapada. Sapada is 1 quarter more. Padona means 1 quarter less. So Sapada Panchavadanam, this one. This one is Sa Ardha. Sa, if you say Sa, that is addition. Adding half an hour. Panchavadanam. After 5 o'clock, half an hour is added. Sardha Panchavadanam. Then Padona Shadvadanam. That this is quarter less 6 o'clock. After quarter, what is going to happen? After quarter, it is going to happen 6 o'clock. So that's why that 6 o'clock you have to say. When you say Padona, next ganta you have to say. Padona Shadvadanam. Okay. Now, 1 o'clock. How do you say 1 o'clock? Ekavadanam. 2 o'clock. Dvivadanam. 3 o'clock. Trivadanam. 4 o'clock. Chaturvadanam. Panchavadanam. Shadvadanam. Saptavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Navavadanam. Dasavadanam. Ekadasavadanam. Dvadasavadanam. And how do you say these things? Sapada Ekavadanam. Sardha Ekavadanam. Padona Dvivadanam. Sapada Dvivadanam. Sardha Dvivadanam. Padona Trivadanam. Trivadanam. Sapada Trivadanam. Sardha Trivadanam. Padona Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam. Sapada Chaturvadanam. Sardha Chaturvadanam. Padona Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. Sapada Panchavadanam. Sardha Panchavadanam. Padona Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Sapada Shadvadanam. Sardha Shadvadanam. Padona Saptavadanam. Saptavadanam. Sapada Saptavadanam. Sardha Saptavadanam. Padona Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Sapada Ashtavadanam. Sardha Ashtavadanam. Padona Navavadanam. Navavadanam. Sapada Navavadanam. Sardha Navavadanam. Padona Dasavadanam. Dasavadanam. Sapada Dasavadanam. Sardha Dasavadanam. Padona Ekadasavadanam. Ekadasavadanam. Sapada Ekadasavadanam. Sardha Ekadasavadanam. Padona Dvadasavadanam. Dvadasavadanam. Sapada Dvadasavadanam. Sardha Dvadasavadanam. Padona Ekavadanam. Ekavadanam. Like that you have to understand. Then if you say 5 minutes more, Katham 5 to 5. Panchanimisha Adhika Panchavadanam. Panchanimisha Adhika Panchavadanam. Dasanimka Ashadhika Panchavadanam. Sapada Panchavadanam. Vimshati Nimisha Adhika Panchavadanam. Panchavimshati Nadhika Panchavadanam. Sardha Panchavadanam. Panchatrimshat Adhika Panchavadanam. Chatvarimshat Adhika Panchavadanam. Padona Shadvadanam. Dasanimisha Una Shadvadanam. Panchanimisha Una Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Like that, Nimishas also you can say. This side is Adhika, this side is Nuna. From 9 onwards, no Una. Up to 9, Adhika. Like that you say. Now, when you say this time, yes, Ajya, today, Swaha, tomorrow, Idanim, now, at present, Yaha, yesterday, Paraswaha, day before yesterday, Paraswaha, day for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Paraswaha, Swaha tomorrow, Paraswaha, day after tomorrow, Swaha tomorrow, Paraswaha, day after tomorrow, Praparaswaha, day after tomorrow, Parahyaha, day before yesterday, Praparahyaha, day before yesterday, Manna, Agami, coming, the coming time, Agami Samaye, coming time, Gata Samaye, Gata, the previous time, Saptaham, Saptahaha, Pulling Sabda, week, Pakshaha, fortnight, 15 days, Masaha, 30 days, month, Varsham, Napusa Sabda, year, Samatsaraha, Pulling Sabda, Vatsaraha, year, Vatsaraha, Samatsaraha, Pulling Rupa, per year. See, Napuskaram is Varsham. Varsham also year, Samatsaraha is also year, Vatsaraha is also year. For all the things, the meaning is year only. But there are 3 rupas are there. Varsham, Samvatsaraha, Vatsara. And next, write the following times in words. 3:15. Somavasaraha kada. 3:15. How do you say 3:15? Anybody? Let us do it fast.
Sapada
3:15.
Trivadanam.
Next. Anybody else?
4:50.
Padona Panchavadanam.
Next. Anybody else?
Padona 12.
Dvadasha.
Dvidasha.
Dvadasha.
Dvadasha.
Dvadasha vadam. Padona Dvadasha vadam.
Dvadasha
Then
vadam.
next one. Next one. Anybody else?
Sardha Saptavadam.
Very good. Next one. Anybody else?
Sapada Dashavadana.
Sapada Dasavadanam.
Very good. Next one.
Sardha Shadvadanam.
Satva.
Sarda Shadvadanam.
Shadvadanam.
Shadvadanam. Sarda Shadvadanam.
Shadvadanam.
Astu. Next, let us see the Vasaram. Ajya Bhanavasara. Let us think today is Sunday. Ajya Bhanavasara. Somavasara kada. When Somavasara?
Swaha Swamavasaraha.
Swaha.
Swaha Swamavasara.
Swaha Somavasara. Budhavasara kada. Budhavasara. Swaha, Paraswaha, Paraparaswaha. So Budhavasara kada.
Praparaswaha Swamavasara.
Budhavasara. Praparaswaha
Budhavasara.
Senivasara kada. Back.
Syaha Senivasara.
Yaha
Senivasara.
Then Sukravasara kada. Till back. Parasya. Parahya. Mangalavasara kada. Paraswaha. So Ajya, Swaha, Paraswaha, Praparaswaha. Praparaswaha, Paraswaha, Swaha, Ajya. Yaha, Parahyaha, Praparahyaha. Praparahyaha, Parahyaha, Yaha, Ajya. Swaha, Paraswaha, Praparaswaha. Praparaswaha, Paraswaha, Swaha, Ajya. Yaha, Parahyaha, Praparahyaha. Praparahyaha, Parahyaha, Yaha, Ajya. 7 days. Okay, that's how you have to practice. Next, Subhashtam. Na kaschidapi janati, kim kasya so bhavishyati. So bhavishyati means swaha bhavishyati. Swaha means tomorrow. Repu em jarugutundo. Swaha kim bhavishyati. Swaha kim bhavishyati. Na kaschidapi janati. Kasya, yavariki em jarugutundo, repu yavariki teliyadu. Nobody knows what will happen and to whom tomorrow. Na kaschidapi janati. Kim kasya so bhavishyati. Kim so bhavishyati. Tomorrow what happens? Na kaschidapi janati. Nobody knows. Kasya yavariki to whom. To whom what happens? Nobody knows. Means that is not in our hands. Nothing is in our hands. Time is in our hands? No. Every minute is gone, is gone. So should not waste our time. We already wasted our time in not learning Sanskritam whole life. Last past life, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, depending on your age. So now we are learning. So let us at least spend valuable time now to learn the Deva, the great language. So na kaschidapi janati kim kasya so bhavishyati. Andumalang ataha so. Ataha means so. Ataha means so. Hence. Andukani em cheyali? Ataha means swaha karaniyani. Swaha means tomorrow. What is supposed to be done tomorrow? For example, tomorrow you want to do a good work. Don't wait. Start doing today itself. Plan today. Swaha karaniyani. What is to be done tomorrow? Which is a good work. Kuryat Ajjaiva. Kuryat Ajjaiva. Today only you should start doing it. Buddhiman. If you are a clever man, you will start doing good work right from today. If you have got the idea in your mind, start doing it. Suhasya Sigram. Don't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow what happens, nobody knows. Once Dharmaraja, when Brahmin came at end of the day, when Suryodaya and Suryastamayan time when he came, just Suryastama is going to happen. So Dharmaraja told, come on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give you whatever you want. Please come tomorrow. Then immediately Bhima ran to the victory bell. There used to be victory bell on the Antapura top. So he used to go, he went there and started ringing the bell. So Dharmaraja got doubt. What victory Bhima got today? Whom he killed now? On whom he got the victory? So he called Bhima. On whom he got the victory now? Then he said, no, I have not got any victory. You got the victory. Then what? I got the victory. You got the victory on time. You know what is going to happen tomorrow. That's why he asked that man to come tomorrow. That's why I thought that you have got control on the time. Then Dharmaraja realized his mistake. Immediately called that person and gave whatever is to be given to him. So that's how the time should not be wasted. Once that time is come, that's all. Tomorrow that Brahmin comes or cannot come, we don't know. That person comes, I don't know. You lose this opportunity of giving to him. And what happens overnight for him or not having this, we don't know. So better not to waste time when a good work is thought. This is the point. We are completing third lesson now. Please do the exercises. If you got any doubts, approach me. I don't know whether people are doing exercise or not. Not even opening the books after leaving the class. That will not do. You have to work. Ujjamenaiva siddhanti karyani na manoradhaihi. Nahi suttasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. Ujjamenaiva siddhanti karyani. By efforts only you will gain. Chanashah kanasaschaiva vidyamarthansa sadhayet. Every minute you have to get the knowledge. Every kanam you have to do it. Arabdham uttama janaha na parichajanti. Once started, no good man will not stop it. So these are all the important slogans. Sotsahanam nasta sajyam naranam. Unless you have self-motivation, you cannot achieve things. By having self-degradation, you will be always losing your weight. You will be losing your intelligence. You will be losing your power. Once you have the Sotsahanam, you will get 8 times more than what you can do. That much energy you will get. So better to develop self-motivation, self-ignition. Self-motivation is required, self-ignition is required. No, should not have starting problems. Go ahead and start learning fast. That's what. How? By hook or crook. By intelligence or by hard work. There are two things. Either intelligence or hard work. If intelligence is there, one man eksandagrahi. Once hears, he gets it. But if you cannot eksandagrahi, read your number of times. Hard work. So hard work and intelligence both will help you in the way to gain the knowledge. So now we have to go to the fourth lesson. Let me open fourth lesson. Now, Ujjoginam Purusha Simha Mupaiti Lakshmi. Ujjoginam. Are you seeing this fourth lesson? Chaturdaha Pataha. Are you seeing this or not?
Yeah, we can see, sir.
Yeah. Ujjoginam Purusha Simham Upaiti Lakshmi. Dharye Sahase Lakshmi. That normally we all know. Dharya ఉన్నవాడికి Lakshmi ఆంధ్రదే వచ్చి చేరుతుంది. Jump. Then only you will get into the subject. Prosperity draws near a man who is perseverant and brave like a lion. The person who has got real guts only can achieve certain things. ప్రయత్నశీలుడై సింహం వలె పరాక్రమైన పురుషుని వద్దకు ఐశ్వర్యం వచ్చి చేరును. ధైర్యే సాహసే లక్ష్మీ. లక్ష్మీ లక్ష్మీ స్త్రీలింగ శబ్దం విత్ విసర్గ, మైండ్ ఇట్. స్త్రీలింగ శబ్దం విత్ విసర్గ, ఎక్సెప్షన్ విచ్ ఆర్ నాట్ నార్మల్లీ. స్త్రీలింగ శబ్దాస్ ఆర్ with dirgham. Rama, Radha, Gauri, like that. All with dirghas are Shrilinga Sabdas. But here with Visarga, the Shrilinga Sabdam is Lakshmi, Dhenu. They're all with Visarga, Shrilinga Sabdas. So Ujjoginam means a person who has got the perseverance and the prayatnam, efforts. A person, that person only. Purusha Simham Upaiti Lakshmi, Lakshmi prosperity, he draws the prosperity. Ujjoginam Purusha Simham Upa iti. Ujjoginam Purusha Simham Upa iti means Simham vale, Purusha Simham vale. Ujjoginam prayatnam chesina vaniki Lakshmi will come. Just like lion, if you put all your efforts, then you will get the all prosperity. Next, the important thing is, till now, in all the 3 lessons, we have learnt Vartamana Kalam. For Parasmapadi Dhatus and Atmanepadi Dhatus and Ubhayapadi Dhatus. Vartamana Kalam we have learnt till now. It means present. Now, what is happening? The work that is being done now. And the work that is being done before starting this work, that is called Bhutakala. The work that was done before starting the present work, what you are doing now, that is called Bhutakala. That is called past. That past, how to say? Let us read that and close this today. Just read some lines. Pradhama Purushaha Ekavachanam. Again Pradhama Purusha. Again then Purushas are same. Pradhama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Vachanams are same. Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. These things are same. And genders are also same. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusalingam. But what is change here? The time. The time is changing. The time is changing from Vartamana Kalam to Bhutakalam. So when you are Bhutakalam, when you are talking about that a work which has been done yesterday, you are talking now. Saha akridat. He played yesterday or some other day before that. Yeshaha atishtat. Chaturaha patham apatat. Charmakaraha padaraksham ayachat. Simhaha Murugam Amarayat. Vyagraha Mamsam Akhadat. Marjaraha Moshakam Apasyat. What you are seeing here? Akridat. Creed is dhatu here. Creed. What is jain here? At. It is not ati. For Vartamana Kalam, ati. Creedati. For Bhutakalam, at. And one more a before that. A before the dhatu a. And after dhatu at. So at prachyam is added here. Akridat. Atishtat. Apatat. Ayachat. Amarayat. Marayat. Akhadat. Ad plus at. Apasyat. Apasya plus at. Apasyat. A plus pasya plus at. A plus khad plus at. A plus maraya plus at. A plus echa plus at. A plus pat plus at. A plus tishta plus at. A plus krida plus at. Like that, you are learning here. Vayasyaha mantram alikhat. Patram alikat. Patram, letter. Panditaha satyam avadat. Avadat. A plus vad plus at. Alasaha tam anindat. A plus nind plus at. Bhaktaha devam avandatta. Avandatta, not avandat. Why? Why is not avandat? Because Vanda is the Atmanepadi Kriya. Since Vanda is Atmanepadi Kriya, the Pada Prachaya will be Ata. For Parasmepadi Kriya, At. For Atmanepadi Kriya, Ata. Avandata.
अवन्दत
असहत निर्धनः
असहत
कष्टम् असहत
निर्जनं
सज्जनः
कष्टं
जनान् असेवत असेवत अत
निर्जनं जनान्
अध्यापकः
असेवत
छात्रम् अश्लाघत अत भिक्षुकः धनिकम् अयाचत अत। सो प्रत्यय प्रत्यय किमस्ति भूत परस्मैपदी के लिए परस्मैपदी का परस्मैपदी क्रिया क्रिया के लिए आत्मनेपदी क्रिया के लिए अत 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 आ इज कॉमन फॉर बोथ for parasmepadi as well as atmanepadi. For both the type of dhatus, a is common. But for parasmepadi dhatus, end pratyayam is at. For atmanepadi dhatus, end pratyayam is ata. So, atra स्थापयामः. ओम वैदिका मंत्रदृशः पुराणाः इंद्रं यमं मातरिस्वानमाहुः वेदान्तिनो निर्वचनीयमेकम् यं ब्रह्मशब्देन विनिर्दिशन्ति शैवायमीशं शिवयिच्च वोचन् तं वैष्णवा विष्णुरिति स्तुवन्ति बुद्धस्तदार्हन्निति बौद्धजैनाः सश्री अकालेति च सिक्खसन्तः शास्तेति केचित् प्रकृतिकुमारः स्वामीति मातेति पितेति भक्त्या यं प्रार्थयन्ते जगदीशतारं स एक एव प्रभुरद्वितीयः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सत्यं वद धर्मं चर सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
ఓకే, ధన్యవాదములండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. 1.5 hour lecture continues. Now let us close with prarthana by Sandilyaji. Sandilyaji.
Arlan. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम्। सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु। स्वस्ति।
ధన్యవాదములండి.
నమస్కారం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్ us request చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు టు రిసైట్ జనగణమన ప్లీజ్.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे, जय हे।
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम.
ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.